The heavy, wet, white blanket is covering everything, and the sun hasn't even come up yet. Usually, that sight makes my heart sink, because it means an hour of back-breaking labor before I can even think about starting my day. But this winter, things changed, and I stopped reaching for that old, wooden-handled shovel that leaves my lower back screaming for days. Instead, I grabbed this cordless powerhouse, and honestly, it feels like I've discovered a secret weapon. There was no assembly nightmare, no tinkering with spark plugs, and definitely no smelling like a gas station after 10 minutes of work. You just slide those batteries into place, and it's ready to go. The power is immediate. It doesn't struggle. It doesn't choke. It just hums along with this deep, satisfying confidence. I've been taking it out into 6 inches of fresh, fluffy powder, and it just slices through it like it isn't even there. The width of the clearing path is the absolute sweet spot. It is wide enough to clear the sidewalk in 1 or 2 passes, yet it's nimble enough to navigate around the flower beds in those tight corners by the porch steps where a bigger machine would just get stuck. One of my favorite parts is the adjustable chute. It's a simple, tactile twist. You decide exactly where that snow is going to land. You aren't just shifting the mess from one side to the other. You're throwing it deep into the yard, far away from your walking path, and the weight, or rather, the lack of it, is what really makes the difference. It's so light that anyone could handle it. The built-in wheels do all the heavy lifting for you. They glide over the pavement, even when there's a bit of ice underneath. I finished my entire driveway and the long walkway to the front door, and I realized my shoulders didn't ache. My spine didn't feel compressed. I wasn't even out of breath. The batteries gave me a solid 40 minutes of steady work. That's more than enough time to handle a standard suburban lot after a decent snowfall. Plus, since it's cordless, there's no dancing around a frozen extension cord or worrying about where the nearest outlet is located. It's just pure, untethered freedom in the middle of a blizzard. It's remarkably quiet, too. I can be out there at 6 in the morning, and I'm not waking up the entire neighborhood with a roaring engine. It feels well built, like it was designed by someone who actually hates shoveling as much as I do. The ergonomic handle keeps you standing up straight. No more bending over at awkward angles. It's efficient, it's clean, and it's honestly the best investment I've made for my sanity this year. If you're still out there manually tossing snow over your shoulder, stop. There's a better way to live through the winter, and this little beast is exactly how you do it. Without the pain, without the mess, and without the regret. It has turned a dreaded chore into something that is actually manageable, and certainly much faster. Every time the forecast calls for a storm now, I don't feel that familiar knot of anxiety in my stomach. I just check the battery levels, and I'm ready to clear the path. This tool is reliable, it is powerful, and it is exactly what a modern winter requires. It takes the bite out of the cold. It gives you back your morning. It is, quite simply, a game changer for the driveway. No more sore muscles, just a clear path and a warm house